Everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely bracelet. I love red and gold. So our materials, I have a superduo seed bead size 8. I also have size 11 and 1 inch of chain, and I have the clasp, and I already attached the jump ring, 8mm round pearl, a headpin, and beading needle size 11. And for this project, I'm gonna use this thread. So let's begin. I put my bead stopper and leave like 7 inches. So I'm picking up size 8 superduo, size 8 seed bead, so I'm going to continue putting beads, alternate superduo and size 8 until I get my desired length. So this is the length that I want. So I'm picking up size 8. And then 7 of size 11 seed beads. Then the jump ring that I already attached the clasp. So I'm then pick up another 8, pass through, and then pick up 8, pass through, superduo, 8, then superduo, superduo, 8, superduo, so just continue adding size 8 in between superduos until here. So I'm done adding size 8 in between superduos. So I'm picking up 8 and 7 of size 11 seed beads. I'm going to attach the chain. I'm going to remove this. So my thread is coming out from 11, then pick up 8, just continue adding size 8 in between size 8. Then continue adding size 8 in between size 8 seed beads. Just continue adding until here. So I'm done also on this side. So I'm passing. Then pass through. So I'm going to make I'm going to add another 8 again. So just continue adding 8 in between 8 until here. I'm done adding another size 8 on this side, and I'm going to pass through here one more time and start adding size 8 again here until. So I'm done putting my adding my size 8. So I'm just make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. In my tail, I'll just make some couple of knots before I cut my thread. So I'm going to put my charm. So I'm picking up size 8, the pearl in size 8, and this is how I measure my 10 mm for my loop. Going to just I can attach my hey guys, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And for those who already joined, thank you so much. Yeah, I love red and gold. It's beautiful. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everybody, and happy beading.